Let's tie a bow on this gift. So you see I've got some ribbon there, and I have a piece that extends past the box. I'm going to take the other part of the roll and roll it through the box at the bottom and bring it back towards the top as you see me doing there. Okay, and so now I'm going to take the roll and place it to about, the midway point of the box. And you see I'm going to do a little twist. I twist it 90 degrees. And I'm going to do the same thing, rolling the roll of ribbon at the bottom and bringing it up back to the top. Okay, and I'm going to want to cut it past the point of the edge there of the box. So you see how I have my finger there? That part of the ribbon goes past the length of the box. And so I'm just going to give it a quick cut. And now I'm going to tie the bow on a diagonal as you can see me doing. I'm just going to put that piece underneath the bow, or the four parts there. And now I'm going to tie a bow similar to how you might tie your shoes with the two bunny ears. You can see I'm fumbling a bit, but once I get it, I give it a little tie. There you go. All right, so I'm just playing with the bow until I get it just right. And I'm going to cut off the ends on a diagonal as you see me doing there on both sides. It just gives the look of the bow a more polished, ending there. One thing you might notice is that the direction of my snowmen and trees are going one way and the bow is going the other. So I'm going to have to kind of flip this around. So I'm just going to undo the bow part, not the other parts that we did earlier on. And I'm just kind of, I moved to the back of my table, I moved to the front of my table, but now I've swung the gift around, and so I'm going to tie the bow so that the snowmen and the penguins and everything else there on the wrapping paper are facing the same direction. So if you do mess up like that, you can fix it, no problem. Don't worry about it. Okay? And so that's it. It's pretty simple. If you need to, get a little refresher, you can watch the beginning part again and just slow it down maybe so you can see all the steps. I learned it pretty quickly and I think you'll all be able to do that too, okay? So thank you for watching Yay Fun Times. Make sure you watch my other gift wrapping videos and I'll see you later. Bye.